It wouldn't be CES without a whole new batch of gaming monitors. So if you're looking for a new display this year, you might want to check out some of our new offerings from ROG. Now, first up is the ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM. This is the world's first 27-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor. It has a 240 Hz refresh rate for super smooth motion, and it uses a new QD-OLED panel. Now, what's particularly special about this is that at 27 inches, 4K is going to be really, really sharp. So if you're playing something like Horizon Zero Dawn here, really graphically intensive, beautiful, or if you're doing 4K content creation, it's gonna look great on this panel. This monitor is also using our latest 4th gen QD-OLED panels, so you're gonna get sharper images, crystal clear text, and a longer lifespan. Plus, our new OLED Anti-Flicker 2.0 helps reduce flicker even further on these new panels. Now finally, we've built in one more really cool feature into this monitor. It's called the Neo Proximity Sensor. It can detect when you're sitting at your computer, and when you step away, it'll turn the screen black, helping prevent burn-in over time. Add to all of that a ton of connectivity options, Dolby Vision support, and you have an incredible new monitor for 2025. Now, if you're looking for a larger display, you're gonna wanna check out our new ROG Strix 32-inch monitor. It uses the same 4K resolution, but in a bigger size for really immersive gaming. Now, what's cool about this is that it's running 4K 160 Hz, but it also has a dual mode feature, which lets you pop it into a 1080p 320 Hz mode if you're playing, say, an esports game where super smooth motion is really important. Couple that with some of our new AI features like a dynamic crosshair or dynamic shadow boost, and this is an incredible monitor if you're really competitive. This last monitor is a prototype that we haven't necessarily finalized yet, but this is using a new feature called G-Sync Pulsar. Typically, you haven't been able to use ULMB with G-Sync at the same time. That all changes with G-Sync Pulsar. On this monitor, you're able to get the benefits of both at the same time for incredibly smooth, crystal clear motion that on an IPS display can even rival that of an OLED panel. Now, these are just a few of the latest monitors that we're announcing this year at CES, but we have a whole lineup of displays all ready for sale with lots of cool features like a tripod socket so you can mount your camera for live streams. We've got monitors with this stand for your phone so you can display information while you're gaming. We've got OLED panels, IPS panels. Head on over to rog.asus.com to see the full lineup. You're bound to find something that fits your battle station.